Hey, what's up guys? You can see I have S23 FE device and it's running One UI 7, and I will show you I have One UI 7 weather widget on my device. And in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8 weather widget on your One UI 7 any Galaxy device, no matter S series, F series or A series. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to X and simply search on X Galaxy Techie. After search, open Galaxy Techie and you can see Galaxy Techie provide One UI 8 weather APK for our Galaxy devices. And guys, you can see it's not a clone app and you do not need to root to update. So simply scroll and you can see weather APK. This is One UI 8 weather APK, and you can see this weather widget support One UI 3 to One UI 7. It means you install One UI 8 weather APK on your old Galaxy devices. So simply tap and download. So guys, after download APK, simply tap and open and simply tap on update. It means your One UI 7 weather widget update to One UI 8 weather widget. So now you can see our weather widget installed, and now I will show you new animations. This is One UI 8 weather widget on your Galaxy device. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.